everyone, this is Kamal Gori and once again welcome back to my channel Garden and the Life Hacks. Today I am going to organize my kitchen drawer. And now you can see the condition of the drawer. It's very difficult to sort out different things, so I thought to organize this. First of all, we will take out all the spoons from the drawer and then we will start to organize or declutter. Organizing the things makes easier to get everything in time. So first of all, we will take out all the spoons, whether they are large spoons or small spoons, from the drawer. And now we will clean the drawer properly with a kitchen towel. And I have cleaned it. You can see it's shining now. And it's ready to organize the things. Here I have taken a cardboard box. I want to make compartments in the drawer. So for this I have taken this cardboard box and now I am going to cut it from the center. You can make the compartments according to your need and choice. I have cut the cardboard box into 2 equal parts and now I am going to cut one part from the center. And in this way I have got 3 pieces. And now I am going to cut the lid of the box. And I have cut it now. Now I have got 4 pieces and now I am going to place all the 4 pieces in the drawer. You can adjust them according to your need and choice. So in this way I have adjusted all the parts. You can see. And the last one I will adjust here. Now the drawer is ready to organize the spoons. And now we will sort out the large spoons and small spoons. And I am going to place all these spoons in the drawer in different sections. I will place large spoons in the large section and small spoons in the small section. And the large things I am going to organize in the large section, so that I can easily find them when I need. If you are enjoying the video, then leave a beautiful comment to encourage me. And also let me know your good name and from which country you are watching my channel, so that I can send you the special greetings in my next video. And I am going to place small spoons here in small compartment. And I have done all. And now you can see all the things are organized in different sections. And the drawer is looking very pretty now. Alright viewers, thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos. See you again in the next video with more wonderful ideas. Till then, bye bye.